principals, vice principals, coordinators, teachers, a very good evening to all. I am Deshram, studying 5th class in Narayana Techno School, Reppalle branch. It's my pleasure to meet you all here about our Modern India. It means a lot to me to talk and to give few words about our Modern India. First, I just want to say one thing. As an Indian, I am very proud. I will give support to be as Modern India forever. History of India. History of India can be dated as far as 5,300 years ago. Modern Indian history is considered the history attended onwards. A major part of modern Indian history was occupied by the British rule in India. From this you learn modern Indian history. British rule, freedom struggle, independence and so on. Students can play a significant role in the development of modern India. Agriculture and education are the backbone of modern India. Students are the most progressive and important section of the people of a country. Students have really a very significant role to play in the development of modern India. It is through their selfless efforts that India will tide over crises and take her proper place in the world. The modern India should have all her latest technology in agriculture. In the countryside, most of people are agriculturists. They must be taught new techniques in agricultural science to higher handling seeds of proper methods. Even the use of electronics should be brought in so that they can safely enter the 21st century. The students must teach the village poor fundamental laws in hygiene and bring cheers in their mind and help them they realize in their role. Students must not forget that on them depends the future of India. The modern India should be educated. In India, most of the people are still illiterate. This illiteracy is ban of our national life. This picture is still occurring in rural areas where the people are stripped in poverty, ignorance and all sorts of superstitions. It is the duty of the students to come to the aid of these poor people, educate them and make them enjoy the fruits of the freedom. Modern India means freedom. Freedom to every person to live a good life, to do what they wanted to do, provide education to every person. We need to abolish unaccepted behavior that are present in our society. To make modern India, we need to focus on women empowerment. We need to give equal priority to rich and poor. Law is same for every person. This is the other point of modern India. Economy. Economy is the backbone of our country. So need to make our country financially strong. India is definitely a modern country. It is creating a cashless society, making digital India focusing on cleanliness and doing so many things to make India modern. The sovereignty of scriptures of all religions must come to an end if we want to have a united, integrated modern India. Mera Bharat Mahan, proud to be an Indian. Thank you all for giving this opportunity.